Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix snapshot effects easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and after you open the apps manager, go to the snapshot, click on the storage right here, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on the power usage details. As you can see, I'm gonna show you, click on this option here and then click down on force stop. After that, go to the power consumption alert right here. As you can see, disable it for 5 seconds and enable it back. And then click on the up launch option, make sure that this option is enabled. Click OK, and now what you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.